Hello guys, welcome to my channel Science Scratch Tutorials. So this is my first tutorials on my YouTube channel. So in this channel I will teach you how to make easy and simple Scratch tutorials, and my name is Sion, and and my channel name is Science Scratch Tutorials, and I hope you all like my, and also please like and subscribe to your friends in social media. And so today I will teach you how to make a scrolling background in Scratch. I am sharing my screen, and you can see I have already made the project as a preview to show. So I want to show how it works. So it will work something like this, and it is looking very nice and good. So for this we have to give some comments to it. So let's start. So for this I have shared a project on the Scratch project. The link is in the description. You can simply copy the sprite. So for this, click on the see inside option. After that, using a backpack, you can copy this. I have already copied the sprite, the background, and a thumbnail also. So let's so also you can save to your computer, and then you can upload from there also. So let's get scratching. So I have come to my project area. So first of all, delete the sprite one. Using open your backpack and copy the sprite, the background. Yeah, first let's do, and also the thumbnail also. And first of all, hide this thumbnail and tell this to go to 0 and 0. Yeah, and the cat also x0 and 0. So it is not showing because it is, and the background is in the front layer. So first let's start coding with the scratch cat. So let's go. We have to first of all make some variables. First delete this my variable, then make a new variable. Name will be scroll x, or you can this camera x also. Then all sprite, then scroll y for all sprite or camera y. Then make it in the slider mode, both of this, and the y will be something like that, and x, yeah, the 100 and 100. Okay. After that, go to the events option and take a when the green flag is clicked. Then we have to tell this show my variable scroll y. Yeah. Then go to control and take a forever loop. Go to looks and take a next costume, and also first tell that go to the front layer. So if you see it is not looking cool, and I have said that sprite is all the running sprite and also the stand jump here, but in this I want from the run 01 to the run 116. So we can give comments, and also it will be something start from like here and go to, so go to x minus 100 and y minus 72. Then go to control, take an if then block and place it right after the next costume. Go to operators, take a less than sign. Go to looks, take an costume number. Costume number, if the costume number is less than 7, then simply switch costume to our, yeah, this run 01. So if we now see, yeah, it's looking much better than the first one. So after this we want to also make it something like scroll y. Means if we do this, it will be move here and here. So let's start. So we can do, go to variables and always change the scroll x to 16. It is a forever block, so it will be always changing this by 16. So after that, for moving up and down, so go to motion and tell set y to, go to operators, take a minus sign, go to variables, set the scroll y to here, and this will be minus 80. Now if we see, sorry, it is moving up and down, and wow, it's working. So we have completed our scratch cache coding. Then go to your background option, background sprite, and first let's make some variables. First will be screen x for this sprite only, then screen y for this sprite only, then scroll speed, yeah, for this sprite only, and x, yeah, x and y for this sprite only. Then without lifting the scroll and scroll, hide all of them. Then let's get scratching on it. So I will tell when the green flag is clicked, go to variables and set the screen x, set the scroll x to 0. Then tell go to front layer. After that, go to variable, again set the scroll speed to 1, yeah, e to 1, yeah. Then tell go to costume, switch the costume to our costume 1 only, no, costume, not costume, costume 2, cover 2, because cover 2 is like this. Oh sorry, this will be in the back layer, yeah. And the costume one I have not named it, you can name it to be cover 1. You can also make it in the first, yeah. Then go to variable with also set x to 0 and y to 0. Then I will go to control, and I want to create clone of myself. Then go to variables, change the x by something like 480, yeah, 480 I think is perfect. Then I will go to event and I will broadcast a message. Message name will be begin, yeah, begin or start the project. So go to and take when I receive begin, then take a forever loop and till set the screen x, go to operators, take a multiply sign and a minus sign and placing it in the left of the multiply. Go to variables, take x is minus by scroll x into by scroll speed, yeah. Then go to motion and set x to, go to variables, take a minus sign, not variables, operators, take a minus sign in the left of the minus sign and take a mod operator. Then take the screen x variable, then mod of 950 minus by our this x means 480, and not, and don't change is to the x only, because then it will not work. Then go to and change set something like this only, and to set the screen y without x I want to change y, without scroll x I want to change scroll y, scroll y, yeah. Then after this y scroll y into, and also set our x to screen y. Now if we see it's working, and also we can also change it like it upping down, yeah. Then we have to lastly we have to work in our thumbnail. So then go to events and go to looks and set the ghost effect by 100, then simply so. Then if I tell that it, and when I stop it, our thumbnail will come. So today this much only. I hope you will like my video, and also please subscribe, like and share, and also comment in the comment box how if you like my project. So let's